You fill in those spots, okay? On top. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay. And also the tail, there's a little bit of gap. But beginners, when you don't get precise enough, you might accidentally whip it the same place as the dark spot, and that dark spot's gonna get darker. So you're gonna implant some color on top of that to blend it out using pointillism, okay?
Okay.
You see, we see her outline, right? It's very, very faint,
Yeah.
right? There are gonna be some spots like right here. Do you see? On top here, there's like spots that needs to be filled in more. Darken the tail all the way to like right here. From here to here.
Okay.
Darken everything. And in the beginning, what you can do is just add some pointillism to, if you need to blend any spots out. But I think she's fine. I like to keep her beginning really, really soft. I think it looks better on her. But mainly, there's a lot of spots here that needs to be touched up. Okay? But it looks like it's a big enough spot where you can just do pendulum to blend everything out.
Okay.
Okay? Same thing. When you do her eyebrows now, you're never gonna touch that spot ever again. Okay? So don't accidentally whip it over again or do anything to it. You are just gonna blend out around it.
Okay.
Blend out around it. And also darken all this up too, the top, right? You see the top? Same thing, it wasn't filled in.